Hi, this is Lisa from Local King Robertson. Welcome to my channel. Sorry, first part of this video, I kind of have to add the voice after I have some computer issue. So today's video, I am going to show you how to do a reverse die cut. Have you watched my last video, number 232? In that video, I was showing you how to do a reverse stamp image. Isn't that awesome? Any kind of stamp that you can do a reverse image now. And I bet you like to learn how to do a reverse cutting. Look at those samples in front of you. They are exactly the reverse image and you won't believe how easy. Yep, this is a channel that I would love to share with you all the awesome stamping tips I know, all the awesome card making idea. I hope you like it. If you do like this channel, give me a thumb up. Help me to share this awesome channel with your friend. And then you can see this channel is commercial free. So always leave me a comment. I love to hear from you. And sometimes if you have time, read the comment. It will make you laugh. My viewers, you are so funny. I make you laugh. You make me laugh too. So let's start today's video and I hope you like it. Okay, so Local King's die cut is so detailed that we are the only few company that our die cut is cut routine. Most of the die cut when you purchase, they are like this, just like this, and then you put your die cut on top of your image. They always end out to have a big white gap, which is good for the layering. But the Local King's die cut, you can see our die cut is so detailed. It's almost like a stencil. And I have created too many videos to show you. You can use a die cut as a stencil, embossing. You don't even have to color or stamp that. So today I'm going to show you how we are going to get a reverse image. Aren't you exciting? Okay, so you have learned how to do the stamping already, right? Oh, one more thing that I forgot to mention in my last video. When you want to do a reverse stamping, because we are not stamping directly on the paper, we actually stamping on the silicone mat, right? So you cannot use a very thick cardstock. And also because we only stamp one time, we are not using stamp positioner. So if we're missing some spot, we can always go back to touch out. So you have to use some cardstock, prefer a little bit thin and very smooth. So those are just a regular cardstock. It's like not the watercolor paper, because watercolor paper without using stamp positioner, it is really hard to get a very nice stamp image. So just use a regular cardstock, prefer thin cardstock. So for the first one, I am not going to explain to you how to do it. I think it is so easy. You just put your die cut on top, kind of eyeball it, and then you will just die cut it. Oh, but I think we kind of have to, because my machine cannot go over 6 inches. Okay, so we're gonna do that. I'm going to do die cut. So I'm going to just cut the regular one first. And then make sure your VersaFine ink is completely dry before you do that. And then one more great tip is I want you to use a dryer sheet. Okay, so this is just a one piece dryer sheet. You can use again and again. Give it a try. When you apply the back of your die cut, that the racing part area, don't rubbing in the wrong side, okay? Rubbing the side, there is those outline. You can feel those die cut line. Just rubbing on use the dryer sheet, you can see the magic happen. And then you put your die cut on top and then kind of eyeball that, and the old die cut is very detailed. You won't have a problem. If you're afraid to get the perfect line up, you can always create a guiding window to do that. So once when you put your die cut on top, and then we're going to die cut it, and then we'll be right back, and I'm going to show you how we can do the reverse one. Okay, so that's what it look like, just like a regular stamping, regular die cut. Now I'm going to show you how we can do the reverse stamp and the reverse die cut. So we're going to do a little bit different. We are going to die cut first, and then we are going to stamp later. You probably say, yeah, right, how we going to line up? Okay, I am going to share my awesome tip with you. I will be right back. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how we are going to do the reverse stamp and the reverse die. Is really unique. So this time we're going to do a little bit different. We are actually going to do a die cut first, and we're going to do the stamp. And you probably say, yeah, right, how we're going to get, or we're going to line up. So you just put your die cut and run through the machine. Sorry, my recording has some issues, so I have to record after. So you can see I tried to stamp it, and then but I didn't get a clear image. So what I did is I just spread the stamp cleaner and clean my table and re-ink again. So when you stamped it, if you don't see a nice stamp image, don't do the next step that I'm going to show you. Make sure you have a nice stamp first, and then we are going to do the die cut. So when you ink, you use your tool, and there you go. That's my stamp image, and that's continue. Okay, so this is a much better image than my last one. If your image is not good, don't waste your paper. Just rub off and do one more time. And then how going to do that? You already have this pre-cut, right? You're going to use this one to kind of put on top of your image. It's like a guiding window. It's just exactly like how you want to do a die cut. You create this guiding window, helping you to place your die cut at the right spot, right? So instead of on the paper, is on the silicone mat. And then now we are going to put this piece back. Is actually not that hard, you think. So it's because we die cut it. See, I just kind of just drop it, and then it just automatically get in. And then this time, don't use this hand tool. Is not a good idea. So you kind of use your finger to kind of push in every corner. Okay, try to push it. Don't rub it because we don't want to move. And then you are going to grab a regular piece of cardstock. Try to rubbing on top of the cardstock and make sure you're rubbing everywhere. And then that's what we get. So now the choppy finger come very handy. So it's good that if you have a little bit meat, so that create a little bit cushion. If you are too skinny, it might doesn't work. Okay, so I think that's good enough. Just in case in the middle of the butterfly and in the middle of that orchid, I am doing a little bit more pushing rubbing. That's it. What do we get? Are you exciting? Ta-da! Perfectly lined up. Isn't that awesome? And then we're going to clean the table. Isn't this the most easiest way you can do the both reverse stamp and the die cut? Yeah. So actually, while I was creating this video, I learned something else, and I learned how to die cut it with a light table. If you have a light table, leave me a comment, let me know if you want to see the video, or I will just create a video to share this awesome technique with you. So the reverse image compared with that image a little bit slightly lighter than that dark background, because the way we kind of transfer to the silicone and then do the opposite way, right? But it gets job done, who cares? That's good enough. So that's today's video. I hope you like it, and I think this is awesome. And I'm working on a lot of other video. They are coming soon. And then the plate, the 2021's spring new release, the plate supposed to arrive any minute. Once when it arrive, I'm going to unbox it with you guys together, and I'm going to share with you the name that my friend Sean and Melody, they helped me to name all the stamp set. So that's everything for today, and stay tuned. I have a more video coming, and then where is this one? This is the one is actually I was working on as something you need to, but I haven't finished yet. So if you want to see more card project that's created by this combo set, make sure you follow us and subscribe to the YouTube channel, so that way you will find out when do we have a new video upload if you want to. So, and then what else? I think that's everything for today. I'm going to working on the other video. Thank you for watching. This is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stand. See you soon. Bye.